How to post a job on Indeed for free. So just go ahead here to post a job, and before doing anything, just put in mind that if you're doing this for free, then it's going to be a hard time for employees or people looking for jobs, of course, to find your post. But anyways, how would you like to post your job? If you'd like a template, if you've created other jobs before, in our case, we're just gonna create a brand new post. Now we're just gonna go ahead and add the job basics, like your job title, and then the job location. Then once you've done these, you're gonna put in your hiring goals, the hiring timeline, and then the number of people to hire in those days. Next is going to be your job type, expected hours, and whatnot. Pretty much depends on you. Press on continue, add pay and benefits if you'd like. We're just gonna go ahead and do whichever, and then just describe the job. So you're gonna have to do at least 30 characters. And finally, once you're done with your fulfilling description, you could preview if you'd like, but then just go ahead and press on continue. So you could preview again if you'd like, then just go ahead and confirm once you're done, and then this will pop out. Sponsored job, you can choose a plan, but in our case, we can't sponsor this job without a budget. So what we're gonna do is just press on no things over here. This is gonna pop out, just ignore this, skip the free trial. Of course, you could try it if you like, but that's pretty much it. They will review your job in the next few hours, and then if the job gets posted after their review, you will get an email. And after 30 days, you'll need to sponsor the job if you do want it to have continued visibility. But that's pretty much it. You just have to wait until it's posted and reviewed properly, and you have successfully almost posted a job for free in Indeed. You just gotta wait for now. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.